AI isn't coming for jobs in the future, it's replacing them right now. Across the US, UK, and Canada, companies are quietly removing human workers and shifting to AI systems that work faster, cheaper, and without breaks. What looked like a distant threat is suddenly becoming reality, and millions of people don't even realize their job is next. In the last year alone, customer service teams, junior writers, editors, designers, and even administrative staff have been replaced by a single AI tool. Chatbots handle thousands of support tickets at the same time. AI writers create emails, reports, and marketing content in seconds. And automated software now performs tasks that once required full departments. These aren't predictions. This is happening right now. 3 AI tools are leading this silent revolution. ChatGPT and AI agents can manage entire workflows, writing documents, answering customers, organizing schedules, and handling business operations without human supervision. Midjourney and other image generators have replaced many graphic designers by creating stunning visuals from a single sentence. And tools like AutoGPT can research, plan, and complete tasks on their own, becoming a digital employee that never sleeps. This speed and efficiency comes with a cost, and that cost is human jobs. The roles at the highest risk are customer support, data entry, telemarketing, junior design, basic editing, script writing, and routine office assistant work. These jobs rely on repetitive tasks, and AI handles repetition perfectly. But the truth is deeper than just job replacement. AI won't eliminate every job, but people who know how to use AI will replace the people who don't. The world is shifting, industries are transforming, and the workers who adapt will rise while others fall behind. This isn't the future, it's already here. AI is not waiting, and whether we're ready or not, the transformation has already begun.